Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again. Yes, it is finally time we go back to the eShop. I know, yes, it's been a while. We've been doing the question sets, so we did 10 question sets. So of course I thought, yeah, I had to go back to the eShop. It's not finished yet, so we have to show you guys a lot more of it. So yes, we are back at the eShop. Today we'll be talking about the pagination and the backend process of the My Products part. You guys can probably remember it. I promised you guys that I'll show you guys in the next eShop video. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, here we are back again with the My Products page right here. As you can see, yes, they have the product added right here. So in the previous video, we talked about the the design and how the part looks, and of course that's how we talked about in the previous eShop video. Today we're going to be talking about how the the parts even works and stuff, and like the code, how the backend process works. So first I'll be talking about the pagination part. So let me show you right here. As you can see, when I press the number 2 right here, it takes us to a different part which has the other products housing. So if I press number 3, it takes us to the other parts. Don't mind these products. It's just some unnecessary products right here. So something you can see common in these unnecessary products is that this blue switch is turned on. So the thing about this blue switch is that once you click this, it deactivates the product. So what happens when you deactivate the product is that it's no longer present in the eShop, which means if you log in as a client, you can no longer like purchase the product. So that's what that part works. And of course, as you can see, we have the update button right here, which clicks as you can update the product. And right here, there's in the right side right here, as you can see, there's a part that says sort products. So the sort products, of course, we have a search bar right here. So right here we also have some text which allows us to choose which products we're like looking for and stuff, whatever products we need. Right, so let me try this first one right here. So first let's try newest to oldest. Look at that. These are the recent products I've added and deactivated. Don't mind these. And like I said, don't mind these. I just added these for fun. You don't have to add these. So let me clear that part right here. As you can see, this clear button also works, which can clear all the preferences we chose. Now we'll try oldest to newest. There we go. These are the first ever products I added to the eShop. So as you can see, these are the oldest products I've added. So yeah, that's how that process works. Alright, so let's try the brand new one. Brand new. Sort that, and there we go. Now we have the brand new products. So these are the ones that are labeled as brand new. So the ones that aren't used and brand new. Right. So now let's go to the used one right here. And there we have these ones right here. So the used products, as you can see, and most of them I deactivated them because I didn't really have the images for them. So yeah, don't worry about all that. So yeah, so that's the My Products part in this video. So now that we're done here, alright, so here we are at the code right here. So right here we're in the My Products process, myproducts.php part. So in the first part, of course, you can see right here we put the connection, and I've started the session and I've connected with the database. And of course down here, if I keep going down here, we have the part where I added the email and the header, and of course the profile image, and of course there's the top part, and of course here is the button that says the add product button, which takes us to the add product part where we can add the products we need. And right here is the sort products part. You guys can remember the ones we used to sort the products. Here's the search bar, the one, and of course down here we have the button that says oldest to newest and all. And I've given it an ID. Of course, the ID, we can go to the JavaScript and we'll see how it all works. And of course, the oldest to newest, and of course the high to low, low to high, brand new and used, as you can see right here. So right here, as you can see, I've given the sort button a on click to the JavaScript part right here. We'll be talking about that later in the video, of course. And of course down here we have the clear sort, the clear button, which also has the part that can clear the preferences we chose. And right here we have the pagination part. So of course pagination is where we when we click down the either one of the page numbers, and we can go to the next page. And so yeah, that's the pagination part right here, as you can see. And here are the product image part for the searching part. Whenever we click one of the sort preferences, this is how it all works, which we select which items we have. And if you go down here, yeah, so yeah, that's all we have here to talk about right here. Let's go to the JavaScript right here. Let me talk about that. And right here is the change status part. So as you guys can remember the blue tick, which activates or deactivates products, as you can see right here. Which right here, as you can see, we have either the response is deactivated or activated, which of course either will show the product or won't show the product. So let's go to the sort product process.php, change status product.php. Let me go to that. There we go. This is the change status process.php. As you can see, we can either right here, so I've given it a connection.php. It's connected to the database as well. And of course, as you can see right here, we use the code which will either activate or deactivate, which will either show or not show the product. And if any of that doesn't work, it gives us an echo that says something went wrong, please try again later. And now back in the JavaScript right here, as you can see, if you go down right here, here's the sort part. So this is what I use to take either to sort the products we need, either oldest, newest, oldest. Right here, as you can see, these are the parts we have. And of course, we can either choose from which condition right here. And of course, this is the search, the time, the quantity, and the condition, which will be used to either search which one we need, which goes to the sort products, which goes to the sort process.php. We'll go to that as well. I'll show you guys right here. As you can see right here, I've also got a connection.php, which is connected to the database as well. And as you can see right here, I've given it an if quote right here, which is empty, then it doesn't show anything. And as you can see right here, I've given it some sessions, either the email and stuff. If you go down here, as you can see, these are the codes I have used to sort the product we need from which condition we need. And here right here, you can see the results and everything we have right here. Here where we have the product image part, the product ID, which we'll choose from the title cards we have, and right here, as you can see, we have all the things we need right here. Right, so let's go back to the JavaScript part right here, back right here. And of course, we go down here, we have the clear sort, which is used to clear the product sorts, the sorting process we already done. And yeah, so yeah, that is all the JavaScript part right here, right? Yeah, so that's all we have for right here. So now that we're done with the code and all the parts as well. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, that's all we have for today. So yeah, that was the back end part of the my products part the part in the eShop. Yeah, I know I didn't speak well in these videos. I mean, I don't really speak well in most of my videos. I always get tongue-tied and stuff. I don't know why. So yeah, so that's all we have for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys found this video helpful. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.